Grocery haul as a teen mom. First we got blueberries and strawberries, 2 things of chicken nuggets for my son's lunch, 3 fettuccine alfredos, 2 boxes of sausages, 2 cheeses, 1 Kobe Jack, 1 Mexican, and the cheese slices, cream cheese and sour cream, 3 cans of ravioli and refried beans, sausage and bacon, tater tots and potatoes, got some chocolate milk. I got a muffin tray to make my son those muffin egg things, so if y'all want to see a video of me doing that, let me know. Sun chips and Tostitos, and dill pickle chips and salt and vinegar, some eggs, goldfish, muffin mix and bacon bits, bagels and bread, mini cinnamon toast, aluminum foil, mouthwash, and lastly I got these glazed donuts.
Hey, you going back for a second?